What's up guys, it's your boy here, Joshua C from TechNiv, and what we have today is the all-new OPPO A92. So let's unbox it. The first thing we see inside the box is the menu, SIM pin 2, silicone back cover, the phone, USB-C cable, earphones, and the huge 18-watt fast charging brick. So without further ado, let's head to the design of the phone. This time, the OPPO A92 comes with a reflective back design with the gradient light shining out from the C-shaped rear camera layout that resembles the constellations of the stars in the sky. It comes with two color variants, the twilight black and also the one we're having here, the shining white. And not to mention, when I'm holding the phone, ergonomic grips of the phone feel smooth and comfortable thanks to the 3D quad curve design on the back. Now on the front, it comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus 2400 by 1080p Neo display with 90.5% screen to body ratio. The Neo display uses an IPS LCD display that can go up to 405 nits with TOV Rhine-Lane certified eye protection that will automatically adjust the brightness level to provide you with great visual enjoyment for movies and gaming without even straining your eyes. While the punch hole selfie camera situated on the left corner of the screen doesn't really bother me much. There's no in-display fingerprint scanner this time on the OPPO A92 because it is now combined together with the power button on the right. This is pretty much one of my favorite fingerprint setup because it's convenient and also you won't be leaving any fingerprint stains on the screen while unlocking your phone. Other than that, we have the stereo speakers, USB-C port, 3.5mm audio jack on the bottom and a volume rocker on the side. Yes, speaking about speakers, the sound quality of the OPPO A92 is pretty loud and crisp as it comes with the super linear dual stereo speakers supported by DRAC 2.0 sound effect. Listen to it for yourself. As for the cameras, it sports a C-shaped quad camera setup on the rear with a 48MP f1.7 AI main camera, 8MP 119 degrees ultra-wide camera, 2MP macro lens and 2MP portrait lens. The pictures taken from the cameras are quite nice and detailed, especially for the Ultra Night Mode 2.0 coupled with the huge 1.7 aperture. You can now take in more light that resulted in some pretty nice low light photos with lesser noise on it. The best part is, the night mode is also available for the other three lenses as well. And for the 16MP AI selfie camera on the front, the skin tone of the selfie looks pretty decent and soft. In terms of video, you can now bring up your videography skills with stable movement shots after turning on the video stabilization mode. You can also take up to 4K resolutions and 120 frames per second slow motion video as well. The OPPO A92 equips with the Snapdragon 665 chipset coupled with an LPDDR4X 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. With the HyperBoost performance engine, you get a pretty smooth daily usage. Battery life on this phone is a plus point as it has a huge 5000mAh battery with the 18W fast charge. You can last at least a full day of power usage. Running on ColorOS 7.1 on top of Android 10, the simple layout and shortcut features are pretty handy and convenient to use on, especially for the sidebar shortcut feature that allows you to access easily onto your commonly used apps. Overall, this is a pretty decent smartphone for the price of 1,199 ringgit. But as usual, the one dislike of this phone will be the 16MP AI selfie camera, which comes with an auto beautify mode even when you turn it off. But that's more to my personal selfie preference. So that's all for today. Do remember to click like and smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to catch our latest gadget reviews. I'm Joshua C. Ciao!